So today is January the 21st, and it is snowing in Louisiana. Pretty good too, but it provided me with an opportunity to get some things done that I needed to get done. The first thing I needed to get done was to get my desk in order. So it's now the 23rd. It's been a couple of days since that snowstorm came through, and everything's melting now. And so I'm gonna put together a little go bag, kind of an EDC art bag. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling that itch to do again, and so yeah, I'm just gonna do it.